Hello everybody. I hope you're all doing amazingly well and having a great week so far. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sam, and for those of you who do know me, hello again, or welcome back to my channel if you have been a very long time loyal subscriber. So I actually wanted to start off by doing an unboxing video. I know how many I end up watching when I'm trying to find a new product or something, especially when it is a little bit more expensive or if it's something that isn't as readily available locally to me. So I just recently purchased the Riki Loves Riki Skinny mirror. And this was part of their Black Friday sale where everything was 25% off. So I decided to bite the bullet and make the purchase. I had been wanting a good makeup mirror for a couple of years now in an attempt to get out of my bathroom and using that as my beauty space. So I've heard a lot of really great things about this mirror and have watched countless reviews and eventually just decided, you know what, like it's on sale, let's do it. So for the 25% off, it ended up coming out to $146.25 US, which for us Canadian folks is approximately $200 with the exchange rate. So it's expensive, but I'm hoping that it's worth it, which is why I wanted to do the unboxing and just kind of get a first impressions review. Something to note if you are a Canadian looking to purchase this, I believe the shipping itself was free. However, there was a $25 import customs fee attached. So just bear that in mind if you are purchasing it, that there is an extra charge that will come as a nice little heads up when the delivery is coming through. So just so you know. Let's get into the unboxing because I'm sure you're not here to hear me babble. Maybe you are, but either way, let's get to the good stuff. The first thing I wanted to mention before I actually open it was that when I purchased it, there were two options for a magnification mirror that comes along with it. So you could either pick a 5 times or a 10 times magnification. And I ended up picking the 5 times. I figured that was a pretty good starting point. So here we go. There's a cute little envelope of some sort. Cute. A little sticker. Oh, I lied. It's not a sticker. It's a voucher. Love that. Right off the bat, there is a smell. It smells a little fishy, but I mean, that could be because it was just sealed and shipped and whatever. Here we have our lovely little instructions. And here she is. Yeah, let's see what we're working with here. Somehow. There's no easy way to pop this out of the plastic. Alrighty, so besides the mirror itself, the other components that come with it, I'll just kind of point it out here and then I'll switch the view of the camera so that we can go through everything. But there is the magnetized phone holder so that when you initiate the selfie mode, then you can have that attached to the mirror itself. There's the magnification mirror and then the stand. And I imagine this is the cord. Just poking holes in everything. This is what happens when you have little cat claws. Yes, the adapter. Okay, so I just wanted to switch the camera back because clearly your girl needs a little bit more work when it comes to doing an actual product shot. So we'll work on that. But in the meantime, let's just go through everything in this view. So we have the mirror itself. It's a little bit thicker than a tablet, but obviously about the same size as, yeah, I'd say like a 13-inch MacBook, for example. The controls are all at the bottom here. Let's see. So you have your Bluetooth option, so that's here for your selfie mode, the camera function, and that's to actually take the photo. This is your brightness, so there's the higher brightness and your lower, the power itself, and then over here is your battery power. So it will indicate with up to 3 lights to let you know what the current charge is at. So that's really helpful. So the second part is the phone clip. So this part, woo! Let's just not do a drop test. That wasn't part of the review. So without taking the cover off yet, it just clips onto the middle there, which is great. Oops. And then you can flip it around. So you can do either vertically, horizontally, however you so choose. What I did notice was when I first went to go put it on, I thought like, oh, maybe it's just not, you know, activated yet, or you need to peel something off, but the magnet is just in the center. So I'm not sure why you would want to move your camera to not be in the center anyways, but just as a heads up, that's where it holds. And then here is the magnification mirror. So again, I just haven't taken the film off of it yet, but I am actually surprised. I thought it was going to be smaller than this, and I think that's a really nice size for it to be. So pleasantly surprised by the size of the attachment mirror. And it's the same situation. So it affixes to the middle of the mirror. Again, not sure why you would want it to not be in the center, so that's a good thing. A great little add-on. Honestly, I'm glad that that's in there, because I think in comparison with some of the other competitors, they either had side panels that folded in that had magnification mirrors, or you know, to get an additional mirror is pretty inexpensive. But the fact that this comes together and it attaches to the mirror itself is really nice. The backs of these are sort of like they're a felt or like a squishy pad. So, or not felt, or they're foam, that's the word, foam. They're like little foam circles, which will help with, I'm assuming, scratching and marks and stuff like that. So don't peel those off. I immediately was trying to look into whether that was something I was supposed to do with the phone clip, but don't take it off. Here is the cradle for it. So it's just your stand. The A-frame itself, I guess we'll just call it an A-frame. It has little grippy feet on the bottom, so that's nice. And you can adjust the angle as you wish. That's how she looks, which is good because I feel like in general I'm gonna probably want it a little bit more vertical, but that's just an assumption because I haven't used a portable makeup mirror in some time. So I don't really know exactly what it is that I'm looking for in that, but I'll be able to let you know in a follow-up. And then, like I had said before, we have the little micro USB adapter. So that's this guy right here. Something to note if you didn't know already, this is a wireless chargeable mirror, so you're only plugging it in if you want to. Otherwise you charge it up and then it's good to go for portable use. The actual time frame of the charge, I will let you know. My intentions are to charge it fully and then drain it completely to let you know approximately how many uses you get out of it and for how long. So most importantly, I guess let's get to the lighting side of things. So there are 3 light settings. Whoa, she got some light. So here is the first light setting. So I'm assuming that this one is the brightest. Damn, that's the lightest. Sorry, the lightest being, this is the lowest light. Holy cow. For a first impression, this gets really, really bright. I would probably keep it on the lowest one, personally. I mean, now I'm partially blind and seeing spots everywhere, but hey, you wanted a light, right? What do you expect? That's great. It also comes charged, so that's nice. Out of the box, you don't have to worry about charging it. So let's do the infamous rip strip. There she is. Ooh, and there's my side profile. We do not want that up in here. Let's look at the camera instead, hooray. Yeah, that's great. That's a good mirror. We like this. So we'll put the magnification mirror on to see how that goes. Whoa, that is scary. I do not want to see myself like that right now. Woo! Honestly, I picked this one because I really wanted to make sure that my eyeliner was on point. So that's gonna be perfect. Honestly, 5 times magnification is gonna be great for me. Man, this thing just like clings to the mirror. It just like, it wants it. So that is with that affixed. And this is still the lowest light. So bear in mind that this is gonna just get brighter than this. Finally, the phone clip. So that's with the phone on it. Super easy to do. It's one of the little spring-loaded attachments, so that's really nice. All right, so now I'm just doing the Bluetooth pairing. Basically, you just hold the Bluetooth button down for 5 seconds or until the blue light flashes, and open up your settings on your phone for Bluetooth connection, and it found it right away and connected very easily. So I guess let's see the photo taking capabilities. Selfie mode activated. Let's see. I'm trying to think of how to do this in a way that actually benefits you guys as well, but watch, I guess we'll just do that. But honestly, like the lighting for a selfie, I think it looks really nice. It's good lighting. Did the selfie turn out nice? No, but that has nothing to do with the lighting. That has to do with my facial expression. So I definitely have to work on that, but that's fine. No problem. All right, let's turn that off. Honestly, first impressions right out of the box, then just from flailing around, the light payoff on that is crazy. There's definitely no shortage of light there. I think when I was watching other reviews, the complaint was that it didn't have, you know, as many light settings in terms of daylight or indoor or warm versus cool lighting and that sort of thing. And I can sort of see how that would be a factor because it is kind of just one light gradient that's either brighter or darker. So I would say I'm getting the impression it's more of a cool light, but again, I'll have to play around with it and see if I find that really makes a difference one way or another. Ultimately, I'm happy with it. Merry Christmas to myself, but wanted to share the first impressions right out of the box. I'm going to be able to take this with me everywhere. There is a smaller size option, which is about the size of a cell phone, if I'm not mistaken. So if you are looking for something that's extremely portable, that would be the option to go with. For myself, I feel like this is easy enough to just put in a suitcase or like a laptop sleeve. I didn't purchase the travel bag for it. In hindsight, I probably would have done that just because I'm pretty careful with my stuff and I don't want to see something get scratched. So I'll probably look into doing that. For the time being, I do have a laptop bag that is not being used, so it will definitely fit right in there and will provide some of the protection that it needs. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking this is a good purchase. Do you need to spend $200 on a mirror? No. If you want to treat yourself to something that is a good quality build and I guess delivers on what they're saying, then I think it's worth the investment or the splurge or whatever you want to call it. I think it'd be a really nice addition to a vanity. So that's my feedback. I'm definitely happy with the purchase and I look forward to using it for my daily makeup needs and finding a lighting that works, because that highest lighting is definitely blinding. I've got little flashing lights in my eyeballs, and the Weeknd's Blinding Lights is playing internally in my head right now, so that's a vibe. Yeah, I guess that's all I've got for today. I'll be making another video, like I said, doing a follow-up, and obviously if there are any sort of makeup tutorials, chances are I will be using that. And if you have any questions or comments, feedback, suggestions, whatever you feel, please leave your comments down below. I am definitely receptive to hearing what you have to say and look forward to getting back in the YouTube space. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you learned something or found this video useful if you are considering a new mirror, or specifically this one. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you very soon.